Alright, today we're going to do a flower series of 4. So what we'll do is kind of try to do maybe Bobby Burger style, but it's going to be freelance, so it's probably not going to be as good, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, thanks. So the question of the day is, what is this bulb in the sky? Alright, let's run through the colors. Yellow ochre, raw umber, primary yellow, dilurid yellow, pearly orange, queen orange, pearly red, phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black. Let's get the party started!
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no.
Alright, so I kind of laid in kind of this neutral background here. I'm going to allow some drips to come through. And what this will do is later it'll kind of have this nice drip layer underneath. I'm going to peel this out on top so you just have the drips at the bottom. And we'll see where it goes.
There's no denying what we want.
Alright, so we just added a little bit of color up here. We'll probably do a little bit more color up there because I'm seeing the drips come through, so that's not good. But I'm going to start on the stem and then the flower, so we'll see where it goes.
Playing games, no.
Alright, we just came back to this painting. I'm really not feeling the flower theme. I'm just going to go with architectural abstraction and wipe this off. Alright, now we're going to cover this area with kind of this rusty orange color. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, we laid in this kind of rosy color here, covering up the roses still. They're pretty prominent, but so we'll have to add more layers. Gonna bring back this light blue and play around with that in this layer. Alright, so we just finished, what did we finish? I think we added this blue layer. So what we're going to do is add some accents to the blue to kind of even more distinguish between this light blue, medium light blue, and then a darker blue.
Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want.
Alright, now we're going to work on adding about darkness in, so kind of this color, but more of a red black, so we'll see and start playing around with this more. Alright, we just laid in this kind of chocolatey brown layer, and now we're going to work again with this layer and bring that back up and kind of texturize it.
Playing games, no.
is what was this bulb in the sky behind me right here. And this is one of the water towers from Miamisburg. And right now they're doing a restoration. You can see there's a lot of rust stains along the basin here, and it's starting to seep into the water. So they're stripping that down, and they have this working thing for the painters, and they're going to slowly paint this all the way down to the bottom. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully they finish fast. On this side of the Miamisburg, they've actually had 2 boil-offs for the water. On the side I live on, it's fine, but I guess on this side they have bad water attributed to this water tower. Alright, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look here. So if you take a closer look, we still have some of the original roses kind of popping through with the stem at the bottom. And mostly, you know, architectural abstraction style with this orange, chocolate browns, blue brown, and yeah, I kind of like it. I'm not sure if I'm crazy about this orange color, but I'm not sure where else to take this painting. I mean, I could just go over the orange with the red or something to kind of make that disappear. But I like the contrast, complementary between the orange and the blue. So I'm just going to leave it. I think it's fine. Yeah, relationship-wise, I like it. The colors I'm not crazy about, but you know, sometimes you work with these ugly colors. This orange was just terrible. I tried to remake my last layer like a brighter orange. I end up with this kind of bland orange again. But yeah, it's fine. I mean, there's not much depth to the orange layer. It's basically the same color, lighter and a little bit darker, but almost the same color. There's a lot more variation in the chocolate browns. I could have added a little bit more there. But I think, you know, overall it works. I mean, the light blues work as kind of a light gray area. The darks work like a dark layer. The orange and the blue, there's a lot of purity there, but in minimal levels, just a light blue popping here and there. So, yeah, I think overall it's kind of a cool painting. Not my favorite color-wise. I think the colors kind of come together, but yeah, overall I think it's okay. I'm just going to leave it as is. Hopefully you guys like it. And if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.